Hey y'all, Matt here from Summit RV. Today I'm going to take you inside the 2019 Jayco 174BH, kind of go over some stuff with you and show you the options and features that it has. So you see, stepping right in, you have a nice big counter space area here with your sink, 2-burner cooktop stove, your hood, your microwave. You got cabinets here. You have your refrigerator down below, your 3 cubic foot Dometic refrigerator. You have more storage here. Underneath, another nice storage area here. On the other side, coming to the bathroom area. Of course, you have your toilet. Nice big tub. Skylight. You have your mirror. And your fan. Now the great thing about this 174BH, it does have bunks. Even for a 17-foot camper. Still got 2 nice sized bunks. You can see the dinette breaks down to make another small bed. Window here above the dinette. You have your CD player here. More storage here above the dinette. And you have your nice big queen bed here in the front. Now you can see your queen bed has windows all the way around to let in a lot of natural light. You have your power awning here. There's your controls there. Your TV hookup. So a few other features that this has, of course, you're going to have your Goodyear tires, your 6-gallon water heater. Take you on the outside here. See Dexter axles. You have outside power outlets here. Your automatic awning. Your speakers built into the bottom of the awning head. Your spare tire and spare tire cover here on the back. All LED lights throughout the camper. So that's just a quick look here at the 2019 174BH. Come on out and see me. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have.